So for part B of determination of the concentration of oxalic acid, balance the following equation for the reaction. And the reaction is MnO4 minus plus H2C2O4 going to Mn2 plus CO2. So this is a redox equation, and to balance this, we know that O2 has a -2 charge, and because there's a minus up here, that means that Mn will have to have a +7 charge. H has a +1 charge, and of course we know O2 has a -2 charge, so to balance out that part, we would have to make this +3, because then you'll have 6 carbons plus 2 hydrogens, which is 8, plus the -8 from the oxygens, and that will cancel out each other. And then this will be a +2 charge because it comes from the top, and of course oxygen has -2, and carbon will have to have a +4. Okay, after we figure all out that, we will have to do half reactions. So first, our half reaction will be for MnO4 because it's going from +7 to a +2 charge. And remember, Leo the lion says grr, so we'll do MnO4 minus going to Mn2 plus. And because we have 4 oxygens on this side, we'll have to add 4 H2O, and now we have 8 hydrogens on this side, then we'll have to have 8 hydrogens on this side. And now we have to balance the charges. We have 8 plus charges, minus 1 is going to be 7, and here we have 2 plus charges. So to bring the 7 down to 2, we'll have to add 5 negative charges. And then our other half reaction will be H2C2O4 going to CO2. And we have 2 carbons on this side, so we'll have to add 2 carbons here. And then because we have 2 hydrogens on this side, we'll have to add 2 hydrogens here. And because there's a 2 plus charge on this side, we'll have to add 2 negative charges. And now we have to balance both sides of the equation. So we have a 5 negative charge here and 2 negative charge here. So that means we'll have to multiply this by 5 and multiply the top one by 2. And then after we do that, we'll have 16 H plus 2 MnO4 minus plus 5 H2C2O2 giving 2 Mn2 plus 8 H2O, oh, it's getting a little crowded, plus 10 CO2, and plus 10 H plus. So now we can cross off some things that we don't need. We have 10 H plus here, and we have 16 H plus on the other side of the equation. So we can get rid of the 10 H plus here. And instead of 16, this is going to become a 6 because we had 10 here, and take away 10 from 16, you'll have 6. So our final equation will be 6H plus 2 MnO4 plus 5H2C2O4 giving 2 Mn plus 8 H2O plus 10 CO2.